Imagine this for a moment. You wake up one morning and realize you have nothing. No money, no connections, no job, no one to call for help. Just you, your dreams, and the clock ticking. Most people would panic. Most people would freeze. But not you, because deep down, you understand a truth that very few people ever discover. Wealth is not something you have. Wealth is something you become. The world will try to convince you that success is about luck, about being born in the right family, with the right passport, in the right neighborhood. But let me tell you something powerful. That's a lie. The richest people you admire today, many of them started with absolutely nothing. They weren't born legends. They built themselves brick by brick. And you can too. When I say rich, I'm not just talking about money. I'm talking about being rich in mindset, rich in discipline, rich in vision. Because when you fix what's in here, what's out there will follow. Here's the truth. Most people are slaves to comfort. They want to be successful, but they refuse to leave the place where they feel safe. They scroll endlessly, they binge endlessly, they complain endlessly, but they rarely move. The difference between a broke dreamer and a self-made success isn't talent, it isn't intelligence, it's execution. While others are talking, you're building. While others are sleeping, you're learning. While others are doubting, you're moving. Think about it. Every billionaire you see today, every global icon, every game changer, every innovator, they all had 24 hours a day just like you. The same sun, the same clock. The difference? They used theirs like it was life or death, because it is. Every second you waste, someone else is training, building, grinding to take the spot you're dreaming about. But here's the beautiful part. You don't have to compete with them. You only have to compete with yourself. You see, there's a version of you out there, a stronger, sharper, wiser, wealthier version. And every single day, you either move closer to that version or further away. So how do you go from nothing to everything? It starts with one simple decision. I will never quit on myself. Because the moment you stop fighting, you've already lost. You'll fail. Oh, you will fail. But failure isn't your enemy, it's your teacher. Every rejection, every setback, every late night where you want to scream into the void, that's the exact moment you are being shaped into the person who can handle success. Let me be real with you. The path to wealth isn't glamorous. It's lonely. It's exhausting. You'll be misunderstood. You'll be laughed at. People will call you crazy for believing in a future they can't see. But remember this, every empire was built by someone who refused to listen to the crowd. Now close your eyes and imagine 5 years from today. You kept going when others quit. You invested when others partied. You learned when others wasted time. And now, the very people who doubted you, they'll be calling you lucky. Smile, because you'll know the truth. You weren't lucky, you were relentless. The mindset that makes you rich is simple but not easy. Discipline over distraction. Growth over comfort. Action over excuses. Repeat these words like oxygen. I am becoming. I am building. I am unstoppable. From nothing to everything, it all starts right now with you. So get up. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is this one. The world doesn't need another dreamer, it needs a doer. Be that doer and write your story in a way the world can never forget.